Why is yawning so contagious? You see someone do it, and bam, you're yawning too. Even just hearing the word yawn can trigger one. Yawn. But why? Psychologists say it's actually a weird form of social bonding. Yawning together may have helped early humans stay alert in groups, like a primal group chat, but with face holes. Even animals do it. Chimps, dogs, sometimes your cat. But here's the twist. You're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you like. Total strangers, not as effective. Your best friend, instant yawn sync. So basically, contagious yawning is empathy with a side of sleepiness. It's useless, it's weird, and now that I've said yawn 5 times, you probably just did it again.